Okay, guys, thank you. Let me show you guys how I learn from my mistakes, and I want most of you guys to make the same mistakes. All right, this is a site that I am creating, sdwjr Global Network, and I created all these. So if you watch one of my videos that I did, I created all these navigation bar. One of my video, I created. I think I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so let's click on each one of these links and see if they work, right? And then I will move you guys over to show you guys how to create these links.
Do you know? Is it all good in here? It sounds like they're yelling. What is it doing?
I don't know.
The robbery? Okay.
So I'm sure each of the links work. So you click on home here. The home works. I'm creating this page here. I'm creating this. So each one of these works. I'm creating this page. Go to donation. I created this right here, so it works. You guys who follow me on social media, you guys know this is one of my computer repair business. I got about page right there. I'm gonna have to work on that. I want to make sure that all these links works. That's the most important part of the thing I'm trying to portray here. They all work. So tutorial will be on here. YouTube is on here, so it works. YouTube, and then contact page is here. Now let me show you guys something here. There's another page here that this page here was the page that I used to create the tutorial on how I created these links. And I will share that video so you guys can see it. But what you realize is that when you click on these links, it don't work, right? It's just static. It was just static. No donation, nothing. It's just static. But here I want to show you guys how to create a contact page. That's the thing I want to show you guys, how to create a contact. Usually when you kind of like with this right here, it would be more or less something more customary type of thing. But what I did was I went into my contact here that I created. I don't have the time to show you guys how to code now, but I had to create a code to code it. So I'm going to show you guys how I created it. Okay, it doesn't have it. I had to create all this code. I coded all this right here. So I'm going to take this whole code, the entire code. This is sdwjr Global Media on here. So I created this whole thing. I coded this whole thing because Blogger doesn't have a contact, so to speak, contact page, which is to me, I don't know why, but they don't have it. So I created this right here. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go over to our page here, to this page, and we're going to go to our contact and paste this in here, and paste that in there. All right. Okay, everything pasted. Let's see if it's everything working. It doesn't look like. All right, no, sorry, guys. I know it. It's in the compo view. That way it looked kind of weird to me. I knew it wasn't right. The compo view. I don't want this in the compo view. I'm gonna go back here and delete that. And I'm gonna go into the HTML view. That's what I wanted. I'm gonna get rid of this. And I'm gonna paste that code in here. Now I can go in there and change the name, and change this to whoever stuff that is in there. I'm gonna go and say sdwjr. I'm gonna say charitable single tutorial, charitable donations, charitable organizations, single donation tutorial. All right, USA, all right, something like that. Yeah, USA. And then we're gonna go to an update, and we're gonna go back here and go back to what? View blog. We already have one open here, and we're gonna refresh it and see if we actually got something in there that we haven't. Now, it'll be like, man, what happens if I can code? I know, what happens if I can code? Let's see if they have shortcut to this here. You know, let's find out, because I did not find out, because once I realized that it didn't have it, I had to create my own code to create it. So let's go into add a gadget, and then I look for something that says contact page here, if it has it, and let's see if it works. All right, contact form. So we're gonna click on that. It says contact form. We're gonna leave it as is, and we're gonna hit that right there. So we got a contact form here on the top, on the sidebar. So it means this is gonna be the sidebar. So if we were to go back here and refresh this page, it should be sidebar. That's it right here. It's right here. Okay, so it's on the sidebar right here. So you can do the same thing you would do here. Do it here. So all right. See, I don't want my contact page on the sidebar. That's why I don't get. But you know, each his own. You know what I mean? One day I want my sidebar. I want my contact embedded into my page. So when you click on this, you can see it. You know, like this. Like if you click on this, you know it's a contact page. You know, it's embedded. Like donation is embedded. You know, home is embedded. You know what I mean? Well, it's on a different page, but it's still embedded. You know, but anyway, guys, this is how you create contact us.